Ze'Niyah, she's home. So small. And look at her ugly big brother. Josiah, say hi. Josiah. After you just cussed me off, say hi.
Man, you ain't shit. I'm gonna show you why. And I'm gonna kick your ass. You are nothing.
Where she put that here ago? Eh? Look at that, guys. Already on baby number 2. I mean baby number 5. Remember about baby number 2? She passed that one long time. Hi, Jordan. Hi. Say hi to my people. What's your name? What's your name? Yo, this girl be shitting in my hand, bro. Like, Ze'Niyah. It's really good, Ma. Say hi.
Hi.
Jordan. 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 Ricardo. Jordan. Jerk. So anyways, yeah, we're just here. We're gonna eat some food again, but just us because these kids are being terribly bad. Do you have something to say?
No.
So why are you eggs up in my camera?
Dang.
Yeah, so we're gonna barbecue in a bit.
I'm a barbecue.
Happy nice. So yeah, so we're eating right now.
No, not today, D. Y'all supposed to look the same. We're supposed to start.
I'm there.
Jordan, come, do the bop. Bop, bop, bop. Hey, go Lala. Jordan, do bop. Watch me, Nene. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me, Nene. Now watch me whip. What's wrong with this breakdancer? In your flash pants. Oh.
Just snap your hands.
You want me dance?
Snap.
Yes, Lala. I used to dance a man. He's gonna be one of those, eh? Pull up to the club with his clique. And a sellout. Watch me, watch me.
You run away. You run away from work. No more that good?
Jordy? Jordy?
No more that good?
I'm tired of hot.
He's not gonna ignore you.
Jordan! Jordan, you want candy?
Oh, that.
What happened? Uncle Jenny for your fun house. Ow! What happened? Jojo. Jimmy.
When it comes to helping the sick, you and your friends and neighbors so well. Yes, sir. And I told you too.
Make up your mind.
She's sleeping?
She's right here. I swore you were standing behind me the whole time watching her.
No, like, this is how I smell.
So tiny.
Don't lose it. Some of us.
Are you gonna dance?
I'm gonna dance.
Okay, you go dance now. Dance it.
Do you remember what it's like? You want to have another one?
So
Yeah?
My pants are so sweaty because of her.
He always says this. Like,
That's Jordan. And that's Jalen.
I don't mind.
And this is Josiah. Okay.
Because that my mom the first second. And then me she call me back. I'm pregnant.
So stupid.
Lorraine, I thought it was you because I said you look on this kind of pants.
Might your baby drop out.
This is when we go to
Good morning, people. How are you? I am good. I'm tired a little bit. Got up not too long ago making breakfast. Leftovers. Yeah, my barbecue last night, or yesterday I should say. I barbecued for Lorraine and Grandma and whatever. And so, yeah, I'm eating some leftovers right now. Mom made macaroni and coleslaw potato salad. So she made potato salad. Yeah, forgive me for it being dark, but yeah. So like I was saying, I slept over at Lorraine's house last night. Yeah. And so now she's gone to go do some stuff for the baby, like registering her and stuff, so that she's going to everyone, not just us. So yeah, the kids are gone to summer camp, Jordan's gone to daycare, and I'm here with baby. Okay, don't be silly now. Yeah, I'm here with the baby. See, she's sleeping. Yes, that's Auntie's baby. Yeah, and she's sleeping. Hi, Naya. Bye, Naya. You guys see me? Okay, I don't know. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, Ross. Anybody who uses this, I don't have to say nothing, right? Okay. Or knows what this is. I ain't got to say nothing, right? Alright. You don't know. Nothing where you cook can't turn up if you don't understand. So, yeah, okay. Okay, guys. I know y'all can't see me, but anyways. Yeah. Can you see me now? Okay. I'm gonna start, because I like doing, like, crafty things. And just, I like doing a lot of things by myself. So I decided that I'm gonna share some do-it-yourself projects that I've come across, or that I will come across, and I think I'm gonna add that aspect to my channel. So I'm not sure if by this time I will, like by the time I post this vlog, if I will have any do-it-yourself videos up as of yet. If I do happen to have one or a few up as of right now, how are you guys liking them? Leave a comment below. Let me know if there's anything that you would like for me to try doing myself, like a project that you want to try but you maybe don't know how to do it. You want to see if there's somebody else that can try to do it and give you like a different aspect, and let me know and I'll see if I can try to do that for you guys. But yeah, again, if there is a video up, leave a comment below letting me know how you like the do-it-yourself, if you've tried the do-it-yourself. And for any of the do-it-yourselfs that I post, make sure that if you do it, you either take a video, tag me in it, or like take a picture and tag me in it and let me know. Let me see what it is that you guys do. And yeah, so I'm gonna add that aspect to it as well. I'm still gonna do the whole ask me thing. I'm just trying to still figure out exactly the direction that I'm trying to go in it. I do know that I want it to still be the whole thing where you write in your situation, your issue, your problem, whatever it is that you're going through, into me, and I'll give you my opinion. And I also want my subscribers and any of the viewers that watch my videos to add their input as well. I think we should all be able to help one another, you know? I don't see any other reason as to why we are here on Earth except to help one another. So let's fix that. I think that would be so cool where we can all help each other and give positive feedback. So yeah, look out for that. So yeah, if you have anybody who has any issues, in order for us to start this, like, we need to get, you know, some questions or some concerns that you have. I can't just begin, you know? So yeah. Yeah, thank you. I would spill something on myself. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna eat and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay?
What you say, I'm okay. What you say.